My husband and I were always looking for an adventure and wanted to move away from Amsterdam. We realized this area has everything we were looking for: nature, beach, an amazing climate, and we could both work from here, so we could make it work. And we're really happy that we moved and that we took the step, because it has given us so much freedom, so much more time together. The new adventure we were hoping for, inspiration. Yeah, we're super happy here. Whee! I'm Nicoline Beerkens. I'm an interior designer from Amsterdam, and we moved with my family, my husband and 2 kids, to Cascais about 1.5 years ago. Our life here in Portugal is a lot about going to the beach, going in nature, being outside, walking the dog. So this house that we're staying in right now is actually a rental house, and it's quite modern and clean. It's also a bit more practical. Anything goes, it's easy to clean. They can bring their stuff in, they can skateboard on the deck outside. We just keep it very easy and chill here. The summer vibe in this home actually comes with the sun. We're so lucky. We have big windows overlooking our garden. And on sunny days, just the sun and the light comes in and you feel like you're on holiday already. And that's why we also wanted to keep the interior light. But I did want to bring a bit of color in there. So I then chose to keep the bases light. We have wooden walls, we have micro cement floor, but then to add one color, in this case, in the living room, blue, to give a bit of a Mediterranean feel and still give it a little bit of Nicoline style. Well, my style is very versatile. I really adapt a lot to the surrounding. As for instance, here in Portugal, I adapt to nature, to more light, to a less full house, where our house in Amsterdam is much darker, much more full, much richer actually in textures and in wallpaper and in colors. So it's an adaptive style, and it adapts to surrounding or my clients. Of course, as an interior designer, I love to collect things. I took a lot of that with me here, but actually the main part of my stuff I've collected is still back in Amsterdam. So the house still feels a bit empty, but that also gives me the opportunity to go out and get some new treasures in. And I have enough time to do that, luckily. One of the challenges of this house was that it was very modern, at least to me. White walls, white floors. They used a lot of wood, which I thought was really pretty. And we brought it back, for instance, with a wooden dining table. But to give a bit more warmth and a bit more personality, I did add some wallpaper in the dining room, just to give it that extra coziness that I really like. It's so funny, sometimes in this kitchen I need to put sunglasses on, because with the light coming from above, it's so light. We love being in our kitchen. It's light and clean, and again, you feel as if the nature is inside the house. So this is actually one of the kids' rooms, in this case my son's room, and he really loves surf, so I like to bring the theme back to the room. Cut out some of his favorite pictures from a surf book and hang them all in a room, just to add a little bit of fun and personality to it. I always like to add a touch of color in a room. In this case, I did it with the bedding and the mirror, using his favorite color, blue.
You know, je mag alleen maar schuin pakken, hè? Yeah. I know, Jack. If you come with a pawn to the other side, you get one of your pieces back.
And this is the second kid's bedroom, actually my daughter's room. And again, I tried to bring some personality in. I brought some of her sheets back from Amsterdam so she would feel at home. And then I added some funky accessories like fun pillows or a frame and another mirror, just to make it a little bit girly and to give her that homey feeling. So this is actually our main bedroom. I wanted to keep the white as a main theme and keep it very calm and zen. So the white box, as it came again, made it very easy. I just added some light bedding and some fun pillows. Reflecting nightstands to have a bit more of the nature from outside come in. And it's a very calm, chill environment.